This video will show you the step-by-step process of installing your new Lumen 9-inch round black halo projector LED headlights. Each kit will include both driver and passenger headlight assemblies, LED modules, DRL wiring harness, and add-a-fuse harness. The tools needed for this installation are a ratchet with 10mm socket, trim clip tool, flathead screwdriver, wire crimping tool, wire stripper, razor blade, and test light. Start by removing all the trim clips securing the front grille to the vehicle using a flathead screwdriver or trim clip tool. Firmly grasp the front grille and pull forward to dislodge the grille's retaining clips. Using a 10mm socket on a ratchet, remove the 3 retaining bolts holding the headlight to the Jeep. Then disconnect the factory wiring harness and remove the headlight from the vehicle. With both factory headlights removed, run the DRL wiring harness through the engine bay to the fuse box, but do not connect it at this time. Remove the plastic trim cover over the radiator support and run the DRL harness connectors on both driver and passenger side headlight buckets. Connect the DRL harness to the connector on the headlight by lining up the arrows and tightening the locking collar. With the LED module plugged into the headlight assembly, plug the female connector from the LED module into the factory male connector on the vehicle's wiring harness. Secure the LED module to the vehicle using zip ties and install the new headlight into the headlight bucket and bolt it down using the factory hardware. Remove the fuse box cover and connect the add-a-fuse to the red power wire of the DRL harness using a terminal crimping tool. Turn the key into the on position and using a test light, probe the fuse box to find a 12-volt power source with the key on. We recommend using the cigarette lighter circuit. Remove the fuse and insert it into the add-a-fuse and plug the new add-a-fuse into the original location in the fuse box. With the power source connected, take the ground wire of the DRL harness and ground it to the ground post located on the passenger side fender. You will need to notch the fuse box cover to accept the wire for the add-a-fuse harness. Using a razor blade, notch the fuse box cover to provide ample room for the add-a-fuse wire and reinstall the fuse box cover. With the headlights installed and wiring completed, reinstall the factory grille to the Jeep by applying pressure to lock in the retaining clips and reinstall all trim clips along the outer perimeter of the factory grille. Congratulations, you have now successfully completed the full installation of your new Lumen 9-inch round black halo projector LED headlights.